I will explain the high-speed ADC converting board. This board converts high-speed analog signal to digital and has a lineup that supports up to 6.4 GHz. In this video, we will look at the APX 5050 model, which is capable of up to 500 MHz. Please note that the configuration and size may differ from each board. On the front, there is a serial number on the left side of the heatsink. There is a 6-pin power connection terminal at the top right, and please connect the 6-pin power when using it. There are 2 analog input terminals at the top of the panel. AO, DIO is a digital input-output and analog output terminal. Clock input is the external clock input terminal. Trigger input is the trigger input terminal. And you can change the board's hardware settings with various switches. Switch 1 is located at the bottom right of the heatsink. You can use signal tap to alter FTK by moving the switch to the left. Switch 2. Please set all switch 2 to off. Switch 3 is located on the left side of the heatsink and allows you to set the ID of the board. When using multiple ADC boards, set this switch differently for each. If the board IDs are the same, board recognition does not work properly. Switch 4 is located at the bottom left of the board and sets the terminal resistance of the external clock. Moving the switch down sets the 1 megaohm termination resistor. Moving the switch up sets the 50 ohm termination resistor. Switch 5 sets the termination resistance of the external trigger. Moving the switch to the right sets it to 1 kilo ohm terminating resistance, and moving it to the left sets it to 50 ohm terminate resistance. Switch 6, switch 7 are located at the top right of the board, and when turned on, they set the calibration for each channel. The initial value is off, and this switch is only used when performing calibration or product calibration using a reference voltage. Please do not use it in general. Switch 8 is located below switch 7 and is a switch used during inspection. Be sure to set the switch so that it is on top. CN6 is located on the bottom right of the board and is the JTAG connector for the FPGA. You can use signal tap to Altera by using this connector. The top right is pin 1 and the bottom is pin 2.